You say you want to go back in your seat? Maybe what you need to do is make them help you to get there. Make them help you take down daily. Enjoy the things that mom bring for you. Maybe that will get your brain start working again. We talk. Agent, or should I say nurse?
You can say both if it makes you feel better. And by the way, maybe you can add significant other. I thought this was supposed to be a rest time, but it seems like you gave everyone your location. Who else know your location?
Babe, come here. Come here. Look. We can fight with everybody else, but we don't want to fight with you. Let's not argue, alright?
Okay. So tell me, what did your vertically challenged brother wanted?
Babe.
Yeah, but him started off calling me or styling me as nurse. And then him got about agent.
Alright, you know Marcus have a lot of shortcomings. But ignore him, him harmless. Him just come, with the political gibberish and lecture me about being more careful, blah 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 blah. And him bring some stuff for me eat.
And you trust that? I mean, he's being political. So.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm sure it's harmless.
Okay.
Come here, man.
So is it?
It's fine.
You're not feeling any pain, right?
No.
And you taking medications? Carlton, you taking medication?
Not yet.
So what you waiting for now?
Alright. Remember? No fighting.
Peace. I will choose peace. Yes. Not problem.
There you go. We listen now, we don't judge.
I'm going to judge you if you don't take it.
I'm going to take it.
Make sure.
Alright.
You know something? Let me go get it. Because if I leave it up to you, you'll take the medication. So Carlton, tell me something. When Miss Brissett was up here, why was the door locked?
Talking to myself when I'm alone at night. Can't put it out now. Can't put it out now, yeah. Do whatever feels good. Do whatever feels good, honey. Oh, it's like a Sunday vibe. While you hit your